It was a literal struggle. Y'all look at that. A literal struggle. Getting this bad boy off, bro. I'm literally sweating. Got all the tools are on the ground, bro. Got the PB Master, bro. Come on now. And, bro, it just came off. Threads are looking okay. Oh, you see it penetrated a little bit. Not too much, but you know, we got somewhere. Even used a heat torch, bro. It was not working, bro. But hey, just believe, bro. If you're in the same situation and you don't got a vice, bro, these are the two things I just used, my boy. But trust me, it's gonna take a minute. Sheesh.